Lifting your car safely and efficiently is a crucial part of any DIY maintenance or repair job. In this video, we're covering the 5 best floor jacks available on Amazon today. Let's start with the JackBoss 3-ton low-profile floor jack. This model stands out for its durable aluminum and steel hybrid construction, providing strength while keeping the unit light enough for portability. Weighing around 59 pounds, it's easy to maneuver around your garage or driveway. The dual-piston pump mechanism allows for rapid lifting, reaching up to 18.31 inches from a minimum of just 3.94 inches, making it ideal for low-clearance vehicles like sports cars. With a load capacity of 3 tons, it easily handles most sedans and light trucks. This jack is also equipped with a reinforced handle and wide front rollers, which enhance stability during use. Thousands of positive reviews on Amazon highlight its smooth operation, reliability, and value, making it a go-to option for DIYers and semi-professionals who want performance without a premium price tag. Next up is the AV Steel 3-ton heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack. Unlike lightweight models, this jack features a full steel frame for enhanced durability and rigidity. It lifts from 5.5 inches to 18.5 inches and is designed to handle repeated use without bending or mechanical fatigue. Though it has a single piston lifting mechanism, it still performs well thanks to its solid construction and wide contact pad, which distributes the weight evenly and adds safety during lifting. While it's a bit heavier than other models, users appreciate the ruggedness and reliability. This is a great option if you prioritize long-term durability over portability, and it's particularly well-suited for home garages where the jack will stay in one place most of the time. Our third recommendation is the VEVOR 3-ton low-profile racing floor jack. VEVOR has made a name for itself by delivering affordable tools that don't compromise on essential performance. This jack lifts vehicles from a low 3.35 inches to nearly 20 inches, which gives it excellent versatility across vehicle types, from low-slung sports cars to mid-size SUVs. Its steel body and dual-piston quick-lift pump ensure it gets the job done quickly and securely. The VEVOR also features a safety valve to prevent overload and oversized wheels for easy movement. Amazon reviewers consistently praise this jack for its solid feel, quick action, and budget-friendly price. If you're seeking high lift range and reliability without paying premium prices, the VEVOR floor jack is a smart pick. Coming in fourth is the JEGS Professional Low-Profile Aluminum Floor Jack. This model focuses on lightweight construction and user convenience without sacrificing lifting capacity. Made entirely of aluminum, the JEGS jack weighs around 60 pounds but is surprisingly easy to move, thanks to its 360-degree swivel casters and long handle. It lifts from approximately 3.5 inches to 19.25 inches, which covers most passenger vehicles. Its low-profile design makes it particularly useful for sports cars or lowered vehicles. One standout feature is its sleek design, often mentioned in user reviews for its combination of aesthetics and utility. It's a great option for those who frequently need to move their jack around the garage or to different job sites, especially if you're working with a lighter vehicle fleet. Finally, we have the DAYTONA 3-ton long-reach low-profile floor jack. This is one of the most versatile jacks on the list, offering a wide lift range from just 3.25 inches up to an impressive 24.25 inches. That makes it suitable for everything from lowered performance vehicles to higher clearance SUVs and trucks. The extended chassis provides better access to deeper lift points, and the dual-piston pump allows for rapid lift action with fewer strokes. Its solid steel construction ensures long-term durability, and users appreciate the jack's ability to handle a wide variety of lifting tasks with ease. While it's heavier and bulkier than some models, the payoff is in its unmatched reach and power. For anyone working on multiple vehicle types or needing a true all-in-one lifting solution, the DAYTONA jack is a top-tier investment.